To access more fish food on Temu, a simple process is involved. First, you need to have access to the Temu platform, which can be easily downloaded from the App Store or accessed via the web. Once you have downloaded the Temu application, you can proceed to complete any necessary security measures. After that, search for Fishland, and you will be able to explore various options available on the application. Fishwood is a virtual currency used for Temu games and activities. Although it is not directly related to fish food, while there is no guaranteed way to get more fish food, participating in Temu games and activities, as well as checking the app for special promotions or giveaways, may help. The more active you are on the Temu platform, the more opportunities you will have to access various benefits, including potentially getting more fish food. To maximize your experience, ensure you have a signed-in account, and you can start exploring the app to discover all the available freebies and goodies. By following these steps, you can make the most of your time on Temu.